Hello and welcome to new tutorial number 36. In this tutorial I am going to discuss about slot command in CATIA. In slot command, it is also called in sweep cut in another software CAD program. Sweep cut, it is called another software CAD program, but in CATIA it is called slot. So there is one option, slot tools. So now I'm going to apply this. So before that, you can select the sketch, select the XY plane and a sketch, and choose the center rectangle like this. Exit. Now you just extrude 10 mm. Click OK. Now just go to pocket and choose this this surface and select a sketch, and now you just draw another center rectangle like this. Exit. Now use this pocket and depth I'll take 7 mm. Preview, and if you want to take the thin outside you can take, or else you can keep as it is. Okay. Now here I'm going to use this uh, slot command in CATIA. So now you select this face, select a sketch, normal, select this face, sorry, select isometric, select this face, it's already selected. Use the take the normal and choose the circle and draw like this. Now exit. Now I will take one path, so you can directly choose the face and make the profile path, or else you can use the 3D geometry and take this is our path. So I'll go to the tools, sorry, insert, or else you can able to find here operations. You can find operation, go to insert, do one thing, select and this face a sketch. Now I'll choose, now I'll rotate, go to isometric and go to insert and operations, 3D geometry, 3D part. Now I'm going to choose, this is our axis. I am going to take the reference element, this line, as a path. Click OK. So this is our path. Now you can exit from a sketch. Now the profile and path is ready. Now I am going to use this slot command. There is a slot, so click the slot. The sketch is standard. Okay. Now this is our sketch. cancel. Select this sketch and use the slot command and choose the curve. This is our curve. Preview. So now you can able to see. Now just rotate. Just rotate and just watch. Just look at this. So this is called sweep cut, and it is also called slot in CATIA. So I'll cut one more type. So for this surface, so select this face, sketch, and I'll choose this time center rectangle type, and I'm going to cut through all like this. Exit. Now go to do one thing, select this face and sketch and go to isometric. Now I'm going to insert and take a reference line, 3D geometry. Now I'm going to take a reference, this line our reference. Click OK. Now select this exit from a sketch. Now select this profile or a sketch, or else you can go to slot, select this is our profile, select the axis, this is the path, preview. You can see there is a cut here. Now click rotate. Now see. So this is called cut, sweep cut, or slot in CATIA. So I hope you understand this slot command in CATIA. So I will stop here. In next video I will discuss with another example. So thank you for watching. Bye.